Sup mga pre? So nandito kami sa LA. 4 days kami dito. Ngayon ay pupunta na kami sa San Francisco para bisitahin naman yung family natin doon. 7 hours drive. Stop over muna tayo sa In-N-Out para sa merienda. Yan. Aubrey, say hi. Go-order siya ng In-N-Out. Break time. Eat.
What are you guys playing?
You got the name of that game.
That one looks like Thank you.
Yan na nga mga pre, no? Dahil sobrang init ng panahon at saka mahaba-haba pa ang aming drive, ay bili muna tayo ng kape. Dumaan kami ng Dutch Bros for iced coffee.
This is
Yeah. Large siya ng laki, no? Pero $7 each, pero worth it naman siya, grabe. Kasi meron pa kaming 3 hours drive to Portland. So let's go. Yan mga pre, dito na kami sa Marriott. Dito sa Medford, Oregon. Aubrey, nasaan ka? Disneyland? No, malayo na tayo sa Disneyland. Hotel, yes, hotel. Wow.
Look at me.
Ito yung milk.
You sit here.
Yung red rocks ay yung red soil na yung pagitan ng rocks.
Is it? I wonder if it says new.
Look.
That's crazy how you can vlog in Germany.
Yeah. What's up mga pre? Nandito kami ngayon sa Crater Lake nila Elsie and Aubrey. And then after nito, pupunta kami sa Sea Lions Cave. Hanggang sa... Saan tayo pupunta? Torswell. So tara. Wow. Laki, no? Grabe. Hi.
Hi. We're going in the volcano.
Crater Lake. Say
Crater
Crater Lake.
Yeah. Because it's so fun to walk.
Yeah.
Many of them.
So many elks. Just chilling.
I don't know. I've only known about you since, like, I don't know, when you started this Dairy Queen. Actually, it was that thrift shop that was uptown, fucking, so 7-Eleven.
Yes, Aubrey, nasa storm. Walang sun. Torswell. Ganda pala nito. Ba't di ko dinadala to lagi? So yan mga friend, no? Pababa na kami sa Torswell. Ito ang pinaka last na pupuntahan namin dito sa Oregon Coast bago kami punta sa hotel. And say hi! Hi! Yan mga pre, nandito na kami sa Torswell. Actually, doon pa sa baba, papakita ko sa inyo. Kita nyo ba yan? Oh, lakas! Grabe te! Oh my! Look! Look! Wow! Shoot. Ayan pa, yan, Brian. Ooh! Wow!
Smile, Joe. You're so silly.
Hello guys, welcome my video. Where is the world? Where going?
Aubrey!
And that is the and then we're going to see waves. Very simple. It's a tricky one. Oh, it's a tricky one.
Whoa!
What? Yes?
Okay, let's go. At dyan na natatapos ang ating video mga pre, no? So inabot kami ng 4 days sa aming road trip. Hindi na ako napag-video sa aming Seattle trip, pero pabalik na kami ng BC. Thank you.